Hello guys, let's take another problem based on mean, median and mode, which says the following observations have been arranged in ascending order. If the median of the data is 63, then find the value of x. Now it has been told that this sample space is already in a ascending order. What you do to calculate median? You always arrange the data in ascending order first. Now as the data is already in ascending order, what you need to do here? You need to find out the number of entries so that you can find out the median. You have been given the median of this data set. So after that what you will do? You will compare the calculated median with the given median so that you can find out the value for x. How are you going to do that? Let's see. Data set, as you know that this is the data set which is already in the ascending order. Let's count the number of entries in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As there are 10 number of entries, so there are even number of entries, and what you will do, let's define the rank first. So n by 2, which is 10 by 2, 5 and 6. So 5th and 6th will be the rank. So now let's see what are the values which is lying at the rank of 5th and 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x and x plus 2, these are the two medians which are lying at the rank of 5th and 6th. Now what you will do, you will take the mean of these two values so that you can reach to the single median. So you can see here what I have done, I have taken the mean of these two values. So median will be x plus 1. So this is the calculated median. And what is the given median? Given median is 63. So now what you will do, you will compare these two values so that you can find out the value for x, which will be 62 here. I hope you understood this problem quite well. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.